For 16 years, engineers fought an enemy they could not see: rock, water, and pressure beneath the sea. Before digging could begin, the seabed itself had to reveal its secrets.
Every core sample answered one question: would this tunnel survive or collapse?
Only one narrow band of chalk was strong enough to hold back the sea.
The channel tunnel did not start underwater. It started by going straight down.
To carve through the earth, engineers built the largest underground machines in history. This was the first step into a tunnel no human had ever seen before.
600 feet below the sea, the impossible had officially begun. Two nations began digging toward each other, guided only by calculations and trust.
Every bolt, every segment had to arrive on time. There were no second chances underground. Thousands of workers rotated through the darkness, day and night, for 16 years.
Once inside, the surface world disappeared completely.
The earth itself had to be removed, piece by piece, without stopping the machines.
What was cut from beneath the sea was used to build new land above it. Here, land ended, and a man-made passage beneath the sea began.
Every entry point had to withstand pressure equal to the ocean itself. Air, power, and safety were lifelines no engineer could afford to lose. Beneath the seabed, water was constant and always dangerous.
If the alignment failed, two nations would never meet. Beyond this point, there was no turning back. Every meter forward exposed raw earth that had never seen air before.
Stopping the flow meant stopping the tunnel, and that was never an option.
Even the air underground had to be engineered to survive. Water was controlled, redirected, and removed before it could win. Every load was checked, because one mistake could shut everything down.
Only when the tunnel was clean could it be made permanent.
Each segment was designed to hold back millions of tons of water. Precision underground left no room for error.
Ring by ring, the tunnel became permanent.
A single leak could undo years of work. Every section was tested as if failure was expected. With the tunnel secured, the machines pushed on. From opposite shores, two tunnels raced toward the meeting point beneath the sea. The hardest rock tested every machine and every engineer's nerve.
Every ton of removed chalk was meticulously transported and accounted for.
Breathing underground was a luxury carefully engineered. Safety dictated parallel passages, ready for any emergency.
Centimeters mattered
when miles of earth separated two nations. After years, the impossible gap was about to vanish. 64 kilometers of tunnel became one in a moment that defied belief. Machines now placed each segment with a precision humans alone could not achieve. Every action underground was controlled and monitored in real time. Hydraulics did the heavy lifting, while engineers ensured stability. Even the removed earth was handled with robotic efficiency. Lasers ensured the tunnel carved a perfect line beneath the seabed. Safety was engineered into every automated move. Even maintenance ventured where humans could not, ensuring continuous progress. Every meter completed was measured, calculated, and optimized for efficiency. Even deep below the sea, light was carefully engineered to guide every step. Communication lines ensured engineers could command every meter of progress.
Every detail, from tracks to walkways, was designed for safety and efficiency. Even the smallest flow of water was controlled to perfection. Safety systems were embedded into every meter of the tunnel.
Precision was the key. One misalignment could undo years of work.
Every meter was inspected, every detail verified before continuing.
Every segment was tested to withstand pressures far greater than the sea above.
Even the tiniest leak was caught before it became a catastrophe.
Millimeters mattered. Precision here meant success miles away.
Even the air was measured, ensuring a safe and sustainable environment underground. Every meter of tunnel passed rigorous testing before being declared complete.
After 16 years, the tunnel neared the surface, ready to emerge into the open air.
The machines that carved miles beneath the sea were carefully dismantled and removed. Engineering precision underground merged seamlessly with networks above.
And this is how modern engineers produced the $20 billion Channel Tunnel from start to finish.
16 years, one tunnel, two nations, connected forever beneath the sea.